We'll guide you through how to choose an iPad as a second monitor or display for a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and have more screen space. You can go and have one window open on your Mac and another on the iPad. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. Let's go and get started. So first of all, your Mac and iPad will need to be using the same Apple ID. We'll guide you through checking that in a moment. Let's get started on the iPad. So what you want to do is go and open the settings up, come to the left, and you can come into Wi-Fi. Make sure it's switched on. Make sure Bluetooth is switched on as well. You can go and see the Apple ID at the top there. Then what we also need to do is go and press General, find AirPlay and Continuity, and you can then go and switch on handoff like so. Now you can leave it on the home screen. Come onto the Mac and you can come to the bottom and open up System Settings. You can find the Apple ID at the top and you can just go and check it's the same. And you can then find Wi-Fi to the left, make sure it's switched on, and Bluetooth as well. Make sure they're within 10 meters of each other as well. Now you can come to the top right of the Mac and go and press on this icon here, which is like the control center, and then press on the mirroring option, and the iPad should then appear. Go and click on it and it'll then go and connect. It's now connected. Access some different settings by pressing this purple icon at the top. Choose if you want a mirror or use an extended display. You can go and see we can go and drag things over like so.